The dissection is started nasal to the disc, taking care to avoid deroofing the macula, which has multiple attachments which are seen on the OCT. We then go all around, separating the membrane from the periphery. It is extremely adherent in the inferior part. After the membrane has been completely isolated from the periphery and bisected, bimanual membrane dissection is started. Since the membrane is thick and opaque, the attachments are visualized clearly only after it has been reflected with a forceps. A break forms inferiorly. On OCT, this area has multiple tightly packed layers adherent to the retina. The membrane is slowly maneuvered from all sides with a combination of instruments to the broad attachment seen on OCT and then dissected in toto.